He is genuinely the kindest, caring person that I know. I have seen him with patients at bedside, such a caring person. There could be total commotion going on and he's focused right on that patient and he's so centered on that patient care. As our CMO, he's there for all of us. He supports this entire hospital from our environmental services to our cafeteria folks, to our nursing team. He is just an incredible leader, and we follow him because he knows where he's leading this team, and he's going with compassion, care, and dedication to Baystate Noble Hospital.
I can't think of anyone else who deserves it more than him. He truly embodies the spirit of Noble, and he conducts himself in a way that manages other people to feel it with him. He is able to have a conversation with you that makes you feel important, that makes you feel like you're the only person in the room. And if that's not the spirit, I'm not really sure what is.
I've worked with Dr. Percy for many years here at Noble. He really is very approachable. He truly appreciates input from his entire medical staff, and he's not afraid to ask other people's opinions, and he's just shows incredible empathy to his patients. He truly listens, not just to patients, but to the other staff members as well. And I think that's really important in a medical professional. And I just am very, very happy that he's been chosen for this award. I think he's very deserving, and we love Dr. Percy.
Dr. Percy really embraces the Noble spirit, which is compassion for our patients, high reliability in our care, and safety for all of them when they come to visit our hospital. It's always great to go on meetings and hear him talk about that, because I know that he really wants us to practice that. So a lot of times when I'm practicing in the ER, I'll be like, what would Britt say about this situation? And I will be like, you know what? Britt will probably want this to be done, or for me to speak to a patient this way. And for that reason, I speak with patients at their level. I try to make a connection every time I talk to them, because I know that that's how Britt would want us to practice.
I think Dr. Percy makes patients feel honored and respected and valued. He never rushes anybody. He gives you his full attention and time. I appreciate that he does take that time with people. And I always think how lucky they are to have him. I also think if I ever needed medical care, that he's who I would want to take care of me. So, he has the intelligence, but also the humor and the grace that he brings to each situation. He really shines.
I think that Dr. Percy is a real champion for what we do here. I always feel like when I share a patient with Dr. Percy and we're on a team together, that I know that that patient's going to be really well taken care of. He's not going to miss anything. He's going to go above and beyond to make sure that that patient is getting exactly what they need. The other great thing about Dr. Percy is that he always does it with a nice smile. He always has a nice joke, a kind word. He's just a great person to be around. Somebody that I feel really contributes to our team here. I think we would be lost without him.
The person who wins the Noble Spirit Award usually gets their picture down the hallway. And so now every day when I walk by into my office, into the ER, it's going to be your face, Dr. Percy, that I see every day.